Imagine losing a pound a day, but never feeling hungry. It's called the HCG diet. You take a hormone called HCG while on a diet that's very low in calories. Now, it sounds too good to be true, but you're going to meet some people, including doctors, who've tried it and say it has changed their lives. Now, all these people over here say they have lost an amazing amount of weight on it, about 800 pounds in total. And when I first heard about it, I was intrigued, but I had a lot of questions. Does it really work? Is it safe? Is it a miracle, or is it hype? Now, the HCG drug can be found in two forms. It can come in a shot form like this. We actually inject it into yourself. Or you can take drops like this that you actually put under your tongue. This is a typical diet that someone might eat. It's a total of 500 calories. So you start breakfast with a coffee, then a snack of fruit, then a little bit of protein and a lettuce for lunch, and maybe a Melba toast or two for a snack in between lunch and dinner. Dinner, again, a small amount of protein with a vegetable, and then a snack of fruit at the dinner. Pretty representative?
Pretty representative.
So let me underline that if I can. So you're saying that the reason that HCG is effective is because you can get by with 500 calories because you're burning fat stores, of which most of us have tens of thousands of calories just on our hips alone.
That's right.